In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can stop allowing payments on Roblox. So maybe you are leaving your account to your son or a kid or something, and you have your credit card linked to your Roblox account, and you don't want them to spend money by mistake or something. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that in just a few seconds. So the first thing you need to do is go to More right here, then Settings, and you will see the payment methods. Click here and you will see that you can manage your spending on Roblox, and these settings will not impact like redeeming a gift card or using Robux. So you can disable purchases by clicking right here, and now that's it basically. You can enable it back by clicking here, and that's it. This is basically helpful if you have a saved payment method like your credit card, and if you have this disabled, then no one will be able to buy Robux or spend money with your credit card. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.